zombie outbreak because it's really hard. I have to upgrade my cats a little. But here we go. We're going into the Emperor of Darkness.
Yep.
Okay, that's cool. I like that.
And subscribe to my channel.
Oh yeah, subscribe to Adam's channel. It's called Adam Smart. And subscribe to me, Cool Casey channel.
Yep.
Ooh, I got so much. That's a lot of
Well, I
XP.
changed mine so it's random guy now.
Yeah.
And I do play Among Us.
Yes, he does. How much XP is this? 1,000.
15,000.
Oh, that's nice. 22 more until we get the special cat. Nice. Oh, special ticket. Woohoo! Whoop, whoop.
Yeah, I got like
Oh yeah, 5,000. Oh my God, guys. This is the most insane thing ever. What the? I don't know what that was, guys. Sorry. Check the special missions to access limited moving labor challenges.
Yep.
Check the special mission to access blah 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 blah. Yep,
Yeah,
got it.
It says blah, blah, blah.
I won't. Okay, I won't. And here we are. No, I don't. Rare cat capsule.
Yeah.
Here we are. Try one.
So let's see.
See, we gotta get somebody different.
Whoa.
Who is that?
I actually, on my battle cats, I have actually a super rare. It's called the toaster cat.
Oh, exchange. Guys, look how much XP I got now.
That's 800,000, by the way. No, that's 80. Wait. Yeah, that's 868,000.
Yes. So this is
We're
not
about to
actually.
get to a million.
This is a kind of a different video. I need to get out
Well,
of
it's
this.
his first gaming channel, because I taught him how from my videos.
Yeah. I thank you a lot because this is gonna get so many views. I hope.
Yeah.
And if it doesn't,
I've done
Baby Yoda is going to crawl on your face at night.
Yeah. If you don't like and subscribe, then a spider's gonna crawl on you at night and he's gonna go in your throat. So you better like and subscribe.
Okay.
I do not have the time.
Well, I have this Titan cat, and I'll show you guys my cats. I'm gonna exchange that for XP because I don't really need that cat.
Yeah.
Blah blah blah. All right, so let's go. Oh, government. Oh, I have not checked this so much.
Yeah.
Yes.
He hasn't checked it in like the last time I was here.
Yes.
But I'm not his brother. I'm his friend.
Yes. Let's see what we get. Oh yeah.
Okay, that's actually rather pretty.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay,
Oh yeah.
you probably have like over a million.
Oh yeah.
Probably has like a million.
Oh yeah.
He has like a million XP. Right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
He probably
Oh,
has a million XP.
Oh my God. This is too much.
Just keep scrolling, Casey.
Oh my
Just
God.
keep scrolling.
I can't believe I did that. That's amazing, guys. No cat food. No cat food. No, I don't want cat food. I don't like cat food.
Yeah, because you're not a cat.
Oh, let's see. Do you have anything here? No, can't build it.
I just don't know. I know how to do the gamer
Oh.
channel, but I just don't know how to upload it.
I'm nuts.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go back.
Shout
Go
out
back.
to no one.
Shout out to nobody.
Yeah.
So sorry, guys. I have not checked this game in a long time.
Yeah, he hasn't. And I almost deleted it because I wanted to install like 3 games, but I almost deleted it, but no.
All right, so let's
Baby Yoda's gonna
upgrade. Yeah,
Perfect.
yeah, Baby Yoda. So
He's
I've got the
gonna crawl on your
Macho Cat upgraded,
Yep.
and the Wall Cat. If you have Battle Cats, do you see this thing that says like the rotate? If you press that, it can just turn back into the cat you want. You watch Brave Cat, Axe Cat, Legs Cat, Gross Cat, Giraffe Cat,
Cow cat.
Cow Cat, UFO Cat, Bird Cat. You you get the idea. So here we are. This used to be the Titan cat. Now it's the mythical Titan cat. And I have all of this right here upgraded to level 10.
Yep, what a
Rare cats. Here we are. Upgrade. 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 Bing, 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 bing.
Cupid
Ding, ding,
cat.
ding, 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 ding. Cupid.
Cupid,
Ding, 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 ding.
It's okay.
All right, so let's go back. Back. I'll show you. Oh, special cats. I forgot.
What? Guys, I have a sumo cat.
I
Kung
don't.
Fu cat.
Tiny froggy cat. Miss Monocchio.
Miss Pinocchio.
I've never done a video like this, guys. Because if you check all my 20 videos, you will see I've done nothing like this.
Yeah, and I taught this little guy how to do it.
Hi. So we're
I
going
taught him how to do it.
So that we're right now. I think we're Right now we're in the future.
My level is like 10
So
after 5.
I've defeated the first level of this. Now I'm on the other level. So that's why you think I'm like a beginner. I'm not. Okay. So let's attack.
I've been to his house a lot, and he's played this almost every time, and he is so good.
Oh, look at this, guys.
But if it was just him, you guys wouldn't believe it, but I have seen him do it.
Watch this. Let's go out with the bang.
Yeah. Go all the way up to 600 so you can get the legs cat.
Yeah.
Straight away.
Booyah! Hi, Lucky Cat. I'm the macho.
Watch the legs cat animation. What pang?
Like, what pang? It's kneeing some of the cats in the face.
What pang?
Doing what pang? What pang?
What pang?
Yeah, they like die right there.
That cat does not have a neck or a body.
Yeah, it just has a legs.
It just has a head and legs.
All these cats don't even have bodies, except for the wall cat.
Yeah.
And the Titan cat.
Yeah.
And the dragon cat.
And the whale cat.
Let's go. Well, I'm just going to leave it like this. I could put out the legs cat and it would destroy the whole base.
Yeah.
Watch how fast the giraffe runs. He's like, cowabunga!
Cowabunga! Watch it. It just...
Boom!
Yeah, you just won the future.
I won the future. I'm kidding. All right, we're back. Yay!
Okay, upgrade the cat.
Do you hear it? There's a cat in everyone's hearts. Is there though?
Yeah.
No. All right, we're good. We don't need to upgrade. Let's go to Cambodia.
I taught him how to do this.
Oh, these enemies. I don't know what the enemies are. They're probably going to be the baddest enemies ever.
Yeah.
Let's start. God. The healing Osis, I love that thing. Ready? Ooh! Stop making noises like that. Brave cat, get them! Macho cat, get them! Oh geez, this is easy! The brave cat just like hits them in like one shot. Well, 3 shots, because I watched it.
Yeah, I guess I'm like...
Oh geez! This thing is going so fast, look at this.
4 shots to be exact. Baby Yoda's gonna crawl on your bed tonight if you like and subscribe.
He's gonna be like, thank you for liking and subscribing.
Yeah,
He's gonna more videos like this.
This little baby Yoda guy is gonna appear in your bed if you like and subscribe. But if you don't like and subscribe, then a spider's gonna crawl on you on your night.
And it's gonna be a big tarantula.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to Australia, get a tarantula, come back and put it in your bed.
Yeah.
All in one night.
Yeah.
And then in the morning you'll see somebody stinging you.
But if you do like and subscribe, Baby Yoda is gonna come to your house and sleep with you.
And be like, thank you for liking and subscribing. Now I have to get back to Kason before he wonders where I am.
bed tonight, and he's gonna keep you warm. And he's really cute.
Yeah, because of these cold nights. We were just outside, so that's why I'm...
Yeah, that's why it's filming a video.
Yeah, and today is a Tuesday. We're supposed to be in school, but today we don't have any school.
It's voting day.
Woo!
It's voting day, that's why.
All right, so we're gonna do one more, and then I'm gonna wrap up this video. We are gonna make once I get to a higher place, I will make another video just like this. Okay? Dun, 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 dun. I know it's brown. This is a way better place than like where we just versed. Cambodia was like dirt.
He is just going to crawl in your bed tonight if you like and subscribe.
I'm just gonna leave these 3 cats out and see if they can just destroy the space.
Be beautiful and like that.
Go Popo cat. Ready?
I'm
160.
his friend, so I'm in the background because I'm always here. I'm here on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Well, we're in school on Mondays and Tuesdays, but we don't have school.
On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Yeah, but we
This game is a rock star. Sorry, my camera's like flames. This is easy.
If you say that we in school on Monday, I to get the computer. So they'll be like,
Oh, I love the sound of winning.
Wednesday. They like to have bananas.
This is like a banana thing. It's like weird. Laser.
Look at the pig.
What pig? Look at the little tiny people. They're like, we're gonna get you.
I'm actually really good at this game, but I'm not really good. What? Guys, I'm really good at this game, but I'm not really good.
Okay, guys, so we have won this round. I know it's like kind of boring. It's an easy level, but it's fine. This video will turn into a ginormous fun central, okay? So don't get worried. Don't get worried. As always, leave a like and subscribe.
To his channel and mine. It's the random guy, not Adam. It's mine. It's the random guy in my channel. Okay, now you can go back.
Anyway, so as always, leave a like and subscribe. And hold on, I'm just gonna exit out of this game right now. All right, guys, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon.
Bye.